How to create form in Airtable. In this video, you will learn how you can create form in Airtable. So kindly watch to the end. The first step is to log in into your Airtable account, just like I have done here. Now, once you're logged in, this is how the home page looks like. On this page, you can decide to start from scratch. You can just click on quickly upload, or you can work with templates. Now, if you do not desire to work with any of this, you can just go to your workspace, the one you want to be working on, or you can just decide to create another workspace from scratch. So once you click on start from scratch, this particular workspace would load. All right, now once it has loaded, the next step or the next thing to do is to move to the left side of the screen. By the left side of the screen, you can see a menu, right, displaying options like grid view, that is the current view, that is this particular table here. Then you can see create. All right, under this create, you can see different options such as grid view, calendar, gallery, kaban, timeline, list, and then in the lowest part you can see form. All right, so that's where we are heading to in this video. So when you see it, just click on the plus icon, and then you can now take, this is an option for you to upgrade. If you want to, you can click on continue. If not, you can just click on create a form view, and then you can edit this name to whatever you want. If not, you can just leave it this way. You can decide to make it personal, you can decide to make it locked, whichever one. Just select it and then click on create new view. And then once that is done, this is how the new views page look like. All right, yeah, you have to like drag fields here, or you can add a field to the table. Then you can decide to add a logo, you can decide to add a description for the form, then your name, note, assignee, status. Then you just go ahead and edit all of these, and then once you're done, click on submit, and just like that, this particular field or form, would be created. So this is how you can create form in Airtable. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.